IFError formula returns a value you specify if a formula evaluates to an error, and it'll return a result that you specify. The IFError has two parameters. It has the value, which is what you want to be tested, and then the value of error. So this is if your value returns as an error, this is what you want returned instead of the error message, which we will see kind of as these #NA, #value, #ref, the various error symbols. So if we look at an example here, we have a result of a VLOOKUP in column B, one of which has come back as an error, we can see. So if we want a value returned of 0, or if we want to return blank if it comes back as an error, we can use an IFError formula and collect the value. Then we can specify a value IFError. So here we want a blank, so we'll just open quote, close quote, and then close our formula. So, and then we can drag it down. The benefit of this is that if we wanted to sum column B, well, we're not actually able to because of the error message in cell B9. So by doing this, by returning a blank instead of the error message, we'll be able to sum a column. IFError formula is commonly coupled with the VLOOKUP, whereby a VLOOKUP is analyzing a number of data, a series of data, whereby you know that it's going to return an error message. So if we look in column A, if we look at the table here on the left, we have a number of securities and we want a close price returned. If we look in column B, we can see the security number and the close price. You can see in column A, there's 9 securities, and we can see in the table on the right that there are only 6 securities. So we know that not every security will come back with a close price, but we want to make our spreadsheet workable. So first of all, we'll open up the VLOOKUP and we'll see what happens if we don't use an IFError formula. So we use the VLOOKUP, we look up our value, we select our table array, which is our security number, start at our security number and close price. We lock our table array by pressing F4. Our column index number for this VLOOKUP is 2 because we want the close price returned, which is the second column in our table array. I want an exact match. And drag that down. And as anticipated, we have 3 error messages because this security number is not present in this table array. So we can use an if, and likewise, if we can't create a sum of these close prices because of the error messages. So we need to create an IFError formula. Our IFError formula and our value, our first parameter of our IFError formula will be our VLOOKUP. And then our value IFError, well, we want to return blank. So we just use 2 quotes and we can drag that down. And here, instead of the error message, it's just return blank. And again, we can create a sum based on our column in column C. So essentially, column C is now workable again because you've removed the error messages that was coming back from a failed VLOOKUP.